Well, Jesus Christ, man. My freaking BMW needs a bath now. Oh, boy. That was a long drive yesterday. All right, so what is going on this afternoon? It's your boy. I'm super tired still from yesterday. It was a long day. Yeah, the motor's here. I'm not too sure exactly how I'm going to get it out of the car before I have to go to work today. Once I get the motor out, set it down, go to Les Schwab, do all that, and then continue this video probably Monday afternoon is when I'm going to start tearing apart the motor, because I work 12-hour days, Saturdays and Sundays. I'm going to go ahead and figure out how I'm going to do that, and then, yeah, we'll go from there. In fact, how you probably shouldn't take a motor out of your car, but you know what, it works. And yeah, fucking I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but now I need to figure out how I'm going to get it in the garage. All right, there it is. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it in frame. I really can't, you know, I'm using my Sony. But that's as far as I'm gonna get right now. I'm gonna leave it here for the weekend. Just look at the weather. It should be sunny all weekend, so hopefully we're fine. The wheels are rusted, so that's why it's just not moving far, and I gotta get going. I still gotta get those tires fixed over there, and then I gotta go to work. So I will see you guys all Monday, which will be 3, 2, 1, and what's up? It is actually Tuesday. I did not do anything Monday. I got caught up editing the last video I just dropped. I wanted to get it done, and I just didn't have enough time with work and everything on Monday. So here I am Tuesday. It's pretty warm out. It's kind of cloudy. It's really windy today. But I'm gonna start stripping this motor down, get it into pieces, and then pretty much think I'm gonna take it to David's shop later on and rebuild it there, and then put it all together there, just because he's got more tools and stuff, and he offered it to me the other night. So, yeah. Alright, well, the bad news is I actually have to get going to work. So I'm going to have to finish this motor up tomorrow and get it torn apart. The good news is I at least got the valve cover off and that cover off. So, yeah. I've pulled multiple things like this off plenty of times. What I haven't dealt with is Vanos. Now, Vanos is what's kind of like killing my vibe right now, you know? So I don't really know. David was just telling me that I have to like wiggle this cam to kind of give this slack. This should just pull out after a few wiggles, so on and so forth. It's freaking windy. But yeah, I'm gonna clean up, cover this up. That'll probably take me about 30 minutes. I have to leave for work in 30 minutes, so just call it a day for now. And then finish this tomorrow. Tomorrow's my day off. But anyways, I will see you guys all in part 2 of this motor build. Show you guys what's going on with the motor. See what we need to do exactly. I'm hoping like the rods and the pistons and everything is like okay. All I have to replace is the rings and bearings and stuff like that. Don't have to go do a complete rebuild. And yeah, we'll kind of go from there. So with that, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I'll continue this video in another episode. Until then, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all